What if there was a clamp meter that could show you exactly where an electrical problem was brewing? Well, now FLIR has created one that can. Introducing the world's first all-in-one clamp meter and thermal imager, the FLIR CM174 with IGM, infrared guided measurement. Powered by a built-in thermal camera sensor, IGM visually guides you to the precise spot that needs further testing and investigation. You'll find problems faster than you ever could before, and catch unexpected ones you'd probably miss without the CM174. That means more opportunities to preempt trouble and get it right. The CM174 helps you cut through the clutter, quickly pointing you in the right direction. Check for hazards to make sure it's safe enough to make contact. Use the laser and crosshair to pinpoint the location of the problem your thermal image shows you. Confirm what you find with accurate amperage and voltage measurements to check load, and take center point temperature readings. When you're done with repairs, use IGM to check your work, and make sure everything's good to go. CM174's intelligent design includes advanced features that can help you solve the most complex electrical issues. Its narrow jaw lets you access tight, hard-to-reach areas, and the handy built-in work lights make it easier to see where to safely clamp on. The CM174 is even expandable to 3000 amps AC with FLIR Universal Flex Current Probe accessories. That's a powerful clamp meter that also happens to be just the right size to fit comfortably into your pocket, so you can keep it on you wherever you go. The CM174 with IGM, the new, faster way to see and troubleshoot problems, verify repairs, and build more business. Exclusively from FLIR.